so that was really, really good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive our own cars. Okay, so come get a steering wheel. We're gonna drive our own cars. Sheikha, this is yours. Steering wheel.
That was not a dramatic
Fine.
at all. She's okay.
And you're also getting steering wheels, by the way. As if you need to grab some more.
When she falls or whatever, she gets like mad.
Okay.
She gets pissed off. She's like,
Okay, let's get up, everybody. Let's get up. Let's buckle our safety belts. Let's buckle our safety belts. Okay, and those are our steering wheels. So we're gonna explore new ways to drive our cars. So let's start. Okay. How about we drive forward? Let's drive forward. Drive. Toot, toot, beep, beep. Let's drive. Let's try driving backward. Can you drive backward?
It's backward.
Wow. How about driving sideways? Can you drive sideways?
Sideways.
To your side. Nobody drives to the side. Let's drive to the side. Nice, that's great. I love how you're driving to the side. And stop. How about we drive really fast? Okay, so on your tiptoes, let's drive fast. And stop. Let's try slowly. Slow. Beep, beep. Estás pitando. Beep, beep. I'm driving slowly. Wow, I love how you're all driving so slow. Okay, so grown-ups, I'm gonna start the music and we're gonna continue driving. But in case they bump into each other, just try to guide them back into their, driving. So let me start the music.
Beep, beep.
Okay, here it comes.
Buckle up, shooby-doo-wop. Gonna buckle up, sha-la-la-la. Gonna buckle up, shooby-doo-wop. Gonna buckle up.
Oh, nice, you've been
Ride along with me to your favorite
I'm
park.
gonna drive it.
Click your seatbelt into place before we start
It's a curvy
the
road.
car. Such an easy thing to do when you ride away. Just click your seatbelt every time, and you'll be safe all day. Buckle, buckle, buckle up. Okay. Yay, that was amazing. Okay, so we need to put our steering wheels down. Okay. And you want to play with your steering wheel? Can you put it here in the pile? And then get it. Thank you. And then you get sticks. Okay, so you get a pair of sticks for you and a pair for your grown-up, okay? Two for you, two for your grown-up. Sorry?
Just say mom.
Just mom, yeah?
Another one.